Rich Dad Poor Dad author, 1929 crash warning. All in on Bitcoin, gold, and silver. Bitcoin, gold. Kiyosaki foresees millions crushed, not just by market losses, but by leaders chasing record trade deals while the debt-fueled foundation underneath quietly erodes. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. About author, Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, Last Updated, July 28, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Robert Kiyosaki, author of the best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, has once again sounded the alarm that the United States may be heading toward a financial collapse similar to the 1929 stock market crash and the Great Depression. Do you have a 401k or IRA filled with stocks? That was the question posed by Rich Dad Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki on X, as he issued a stark warning about the U.S. economy. Drawing comparisons to the 1929 stock market crash, Kiyosaki said he's staying out of traditional assets and going all in on Bitcoin, gold, and silver. Robert Kiyosaki warns of another Great Depression, as U.S. debt hits $36.6 trillion. The best-selling author pointed to the moves of investment icons Warren Buffett and Jim Rogers, noting both have trimmed their exposure to stocks and bonds. They are both in cash or silver, Kiyosaki wrote. If you do not know why Buffett and Rogers have sold their stocks and bonds, you may want to find out. In the same post, he warned of another Great Depression and described America's mounting debt as unsustainable. You can only print money to pay your bills for so long, he added. Kiyosaki's comments come as the U.S. national debt hits historic levels. This month alone, debt rose by $367 billion, reaching $36.6 trillion, an all-time high. The jump followed President Trump's approval of a sweeping spending bill that raised the debt ceiling by $5 trillion. The increase is expected to carry the government through to 2027 without a default. The ballooning debt is placing growing pressure on federal finances. Interest payments already consume 13% of the national budget and are projected to top $1 trillion annually by 2033. That trajectory, analysts say, risks forcing future cuts to Social Security, Medicare, and defense spending, even as global tensions escalate. Analysts are also pointing to early signs of economic stress. According to Kurt S. Altrichter of Ivory Hill Wealth, the U.S. housing market is flashing recession signals. Inventory for new single-family homes has swelled to nearly 10 months' worth of supply, a level historically seen just before or during economic downturns. Jack Mallers, CEO of Strike, also weighed in. In a post on X, he said the U.S. Treasury has no real option left other than to expand the monetary base, which effectively means more money printing. Kiyosaki reaffirms support for Bitcoin as U.S. inflation and debt worsen. Bitcoin, often seen as a hedge against inflation, dipped to an intraday low of $117,914 on the day Kiyosaki made his comments. The drop followed $47.5 million in liquidations as leveraged long positions were flushed out. Despite this, Bitcoin remains up more than 60% from its April lows, and market participants still see its long-term structure as bullish. Short-term volatility has intensified, especially near the $118,000 to $120,000 range, where large clusters of leveraged bets have built up. Each push toward $119,000 has faced sharp resistance, often triggering automated sell-offs. Despite the market's turbulence, Kiyosaki continues to emphasize Bitcoin's role as a safe haven, stating that, "I sit tight with gold, silver, and Bitcoin," he reaffirmed. Kiyosaki's warnings, though severe, echo concerns voiced by a growing number of investors and analysts. As economic pressures mount and trust in traditional financial systems erodes, Bitcoin and other scarce assets are increasingly being positioned as a response to long-term fiscal instability. While critics argue that such alarmist views may exaggerate the risks, Kiyosaki's message is clear. Please take care, he wrote, and do your own research. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Cardano by the end of 2025. Turn your smartphone into a miner. XRP mining's new passive income app now live. Why is crypto down today? July 29, 2025. Price analysis. Cardano price prediction. Leo's upgrade targets Solana level speed. Could ADA 50x before 2026? 5 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Ethereum news. Live Ethereum price tracker. July 29th. Can ETH hit the $4,000 price target today? 1 day ago. By Ristina Yordanova. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Elliott wave structure signals Wave 3 launch is imminent. How high can XRP go in 2025? 2 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. July 22, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in July 2025. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 hour ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 7 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 9 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 10 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.